Round 2 campsite. What is this place called? Oh, Casa de la Garrett Hudson.
The Oasis.
The Oasis. What was that suspension bridge we crossed to get and then?
Yeah, this is the suspension bridge.
I'm gonna camp out over here. Garrett's gonna hang his hammock over in this spot. I'm gonna try to go in between these two trees. I got enough rope, I think. Eric's setting up his tent. Beautiful river ambiance. Seen better days for trout fishing. Next time we come here, we better research that a little better. Little beach fire maybe over there tonight. Clean it up in the morning. Well, gotta set up camp. Alright, day 2. Packing up from our little river adventure where we camped out. There's Eric and Garrett over there getting a fire going on the little beach spot. That way we can make ourselves some tea. Get warmed up and ready for this. How many miles is it back out of here? Only 1 or 2? Yep. So not too bad of a walk this morning. It's just gonna suck with the wet shoes. We got a little wet last night on the way here. It wasn't the driest of spots getting down the trail to here, but made for a nice hammock swing and camp out with the sound of water behind us all night. But sorry I didn't video too much of the trip out this way, just because my camera, I didn't have any charger or anything for my camera, so I had to reserve all my battery life for today, because today's going to be the last day, and I think we're going to Natural Bridges, and I really want to get some nice photographs and some video. But yeah, man, this has been a surreal experience. You know, it's beautiful. Seen this on YouTube so many times, and now we're here. It's wonderful. Thanks for viewing, and I hope you're still watching, and I hope this video turns out good. A little. Trail taking us back home. Look at that big old fish out there laying across the top of that log. You see it? There is that a crack in it. Yeah. Looks like it might be a big carp just sitting there.
That's your pole, Garrett. Yeah, too. We should walk down there first.
Bridge is kind of wobbly to go across. This is a bumpy ride. Garrett's bouncing us on purpose. Whoa, packs are catching.
You got 3 people with 3 different footsteps.
Solid ground. Angie would have never went across that. All right, almost out of the Chatoe Trail from our river camp. Just winging it off the beaten path. Whew. Yet again, a humbling experience for a couch surfer, computer guy, tattoo artist sitting on his butt doing everything that he does.
Beautiful day.
Yeah, it is. Hit this pack off my back. More later, folks.